Hi, friend. Have you got an unfulfilling job? Most of us do. After a while, the thrill is gone. I got a way for you to find meaning and be happy. Let's take a look at this. There's a simple, proven system that lets you build your business. I call it a project. As a personal brand, which I'm not doing here, or going faceless like I'm doing here. Some boss at work might won't find out, eh? It's completely your choice which way to go. You get direct mentorship and coaching, so you're never left guessing what to do next. It involves selling ready-made digital products. No inventory, no shipping, no hassle. Just everything is sent directly to you over the internet. Don't have to worry about customs duty, tariffs, anything like that. And you use AI, artificial intelligence, to automate 90% of the work. So you're not spending hours making up your own content or doing customer support. It's all done for you. Many people have gone from zero to $5,000 in their first 7 to 30 days by following this simple system. And then they've moved on to 5 and 6 figured months. But that's them, not you. You don't know what I don't know what success you're gonna have. Your success does depend on the effort you put in and the implementation, if you know how to implement it correctly. So ask me for the link in the comments under this video, and I'll send it to you. We don't spread this all over the internet. We work directly one-on-one with you, answering your questions. So bye for now.